Hey traders, in this video we're going to go over the weekly watch list for January 15th, 2023. Let's jump right into it. So last week I said to watch this. We were kind of trading sideways, right? Are we going to break out or break down? Well, guess what? We broke out. We had a inverse head and shoulders right here on the RSI. That kind of was a potential precursor, telltale of which way the next direction would be. And it looks like that market was going to go higher, and the market did go higher. I am bullish this week. There are things that I'm saying. I think we could probably get up to this low volume node right here, which is around the 4140 level. That is what I'm looking for. Also, if we grab our fib extension, just go from this low. Let's kind of clear. If you want to help support my channel, then go to daytradingfearless.com, sign up for S&P Emini Future weekly trade zones and my top 5 trading strategies for any stock, options, or futures, 7 hours of trading content. Also, every weekend I update with Thinkorswim share charts, resistance, support, open gap, and VPOC levels for the S&P E-mini futures. I also now have included a scanner for the 5-day and 7-day reverse waterfalls and waterfalls for any stock, right? So every day this is updated where it shows you what stocks are in the waterfall or reverse waterfall. So make sure you guys sign up, link down below, or go to daytradingfearless.com. Only $99 for a lifetime subscription. But back to the video. Everything out, go just kind of this entire sideways action. So we're going to go from this low to this high and then back down. Okay, we still have a little more ways to the 40, we'll call it 60 level. Probably watch this little swing high, but definitely this low volume node on the market profile I'm watching. So we will see what happens. But again, markets are looking bullish. Let's look at our market profile. If you think about it, we had all this sideways action, right? Then we had this sideways action, and as we rally, we're just coming back up into this sideways action. So do we kind of go higher, trade sideways? I would definitely watch the 40.85 level too, which is going to be potential, a resistance, which is the value area high. Also kind of these highs over here. So that is where I think we're going to go this week. Now, remember, we are coming into earnings season, so just something to be very aware of. Let's go back and take a look at the NQ. Okay, with the NQ, I do feel same exact thing. I feel this is actually the catch-up trade to the ES, right? So we on the ES, we're right at the 200 almost. With the NQ, we're still ways away. So I wonder if we outperform on the NQ versus the ES as we do move higher. But definitely looks strong. Everything looks good here on the NQ. Last week I said, hey, watch this 11.5. Look where we closed, right around this level. So kind of again, just read the charts. Charts will tell you a lot. Let's now take a look at crude oil. So crude oil, kind of bullish on crude oil, inverse head and shoulders, shoulder, head, shoulder, right? Kind of pulled back, and now we may break out and break out. So again, crude oil looks bullish. Maybe this is where everything starts to rally. Bitcoin / BTC, even Bitcoin's getting into the game. The problem I have with Bitcoin is look at where we are on the RSI, right? kind of barely moved, and we're already way oversold on the RSI. Maybe we tag the 200 or get back up near these highs. But again, this week I'm bullish on Bitcoin, but overall I'm still bearish. I still think 11,000 eventually. Remember, I'm not saying 11,000 next week. It's a long, slow process, but wonder what the next shoe to drop is going to be. Let's take a look at gold. Been bullish gold all year, still am. Nice move on gold. Watch for a gap fill right around the 180 level. And then we have another gap all the way up here, 184.50. So gold does look bullish. Silver looks like a potential breakout, kind of bull flag, right? We're starting to form. Go here, think of it this way, right? And we are breaking out the flag here on the RSI. So does this move higher? Definitely watching that 24 on silver. Let's take a look at a couple stocks. Apple got right back up to this old support, became new resistance level, kind of pulled back, and now do we break out higher? Remember, we do have news coming out, earnings season that's going to be happening. So a lot of things could really happen with this earnings. Do companies miss or hit, right? JP Morgan, okay, they came out with earnings and they kind of gapped lower, and then look at this massive reversal to the upside, right? So I'm kind of bullish on the banks. If we could break above this 144 level, 145, I think we could go to the point of control. So keep an eye on JP Morgan. Again, none of this is a trade advice, just a trade ideas. I'm doing on YouTube. Let's take a look at Amazon, AMZN. Again, I said from the beginning of the year, Amazon is one of my favorite stocks for the year. I think they just got way oversold. Look at this divergence, really clean divergence. Again, let the charts tell you, but I think we could probably get up to the 114 level on Amazon. And then finally, Tesla, TSLA. Don't like it. Look at this while everything else is rallying. This is nothing. They just lowered all their prices on their cars. I think Amazon, I wouldn't touch it, but watch for maybe a pullback to this 105 level. Maybe create a inverse head and shoulders, something like that. So hopefully that helps. As always, have a great weekend, and we'll talk to you soon. Thank you.